When students start to learn programming, they tend to think that going from the start of your learning path up to the end of your learning path, which is when you are job ready. So students think that this is a linear path that goes like this. However, this is not really the case. The actual curve to gain skills to become job ready is a bit different. It actually goes like this. Up to here, then it goes down, and then it goes up again. So why is this? Well, I'll explain you why in this video. So this is the beginner's phase, and the curve going up indicates your confidence. So you feel very confident when you're learning the basics of a programming language. So let's say in this course, this would reflect to the first app where I explain you the basics of Python. So in that app, I'm sure that you're feeling very confident. The problem is after you learn the basics and you start to build something. So after you learn the basics, we're here, and then you start to build apps and you realize that you don't feel as confident as you thought you would, because building something is different from the theoretical skills. Now, in this course though, this part is very practical, so this curve will not be that down, but it will be a bit more like this. So it depends on the course, and for some online courses which don't have any building, any practical knowledge, then this graph could be somewhere here. So we're here currently. Once you have learned the basics of Python, then in the course we have about 20 apps that you built together with me, plus 10 apps which you built yourself. So I would say that in the first 5 apps that we built and that you also built, more or less, you'll feel like your confidence is not that high. So you'll feel like your confidence is going down and you're not so motivated. So that's very normal. That's why I'm telling you this, so that you know beforehand not to get unmotivated later on. However, after you build a few apps, you struggle with them, and then after you build some of them, then you'll start to gain your confidence again. So in the next, let's say 15 apps that we build together, plus the apps you'll build yourself, you'll start to gain confidence until you are job ready, because you have built many apps on your own, so you're ready, you know how to do it, and you can get a job as a Python programmer. So this is a graph. I wanted you to know how the learning path goes, and I hope this helps you, and see you later.